So the first example would be the color. Let's show the package. After I set up, you will see there's a common folder and a package JSON. Since we are initial color, so we need a new file called index.js. In the index.js, we're gonna actually export the comment, which is const comment. It's empty now, and we export default comment. That's it for now. On top of that, we'll have colors. New file called index.js. We have all the colors here. So for demonstration, we're using the flat UI and copy and generate all of that. Here's our root colors. So the root color is actually exactly mapping from. So let's write it down. Mapping from the flat UI. So this is the color. I'm not going to change no matter what because that's how design it is. But in the real case, when you actually in the design system say a company want to change the main color from blue to like a little bit greenish, and then your colors need to be totally changed, but when you actually mention it as carrot, it's not going to make any sense, or Peter River or whatever. So we need to introduce the more generic way of saying the colors. That's why we get the color section introduced here. Export that. Then you actually import color. Import. And then export the colors. And that's it for comment section for now.